Yeah. My name is Rocky Jones. I'm the Minister of Information for the Afro Canadian Liberation Movement and chairman of the Black Students Association, and the things that I'm going to say are relevant to anything you're talking about.
Rocky would talk to people from Vancouver, from Montreal, and that created a new dynamic in the Black communities in Canada, because suddenly they're finding out that they have a history that are similar.
We have got to understand that if black people are going to have any liberation, they've got to do it collectively. We are the ones who are going to change the history of mankind, and we're going to do it now.
So you know what I liked about this is the fact that he saw the big picture. He didn't look at it as all of Canada worked one way and all of the U.S. works another way. He looked at it as, in order for black people to prosper, in order for black people to be understanding, to be, I guess you could say, respected, that we needed to work together, not only within Canada, but within the world. You know, it's like he's talking about black unity in a way that's different, you know, and I'm assuming that was different from what people would have ever thought. You know, you got people, I'm pretty sure it was back then that didn't like people, not only just because they didn't look like them, but they can have the exact same background as them, but they couldn't figure out exactly why they didn't like them. And he wanted to put a squash to that. I'm gonna make sure that I find more videos of him, something that's a little bit longer, something that's a little bit more in depth, so we can all gain a better understanding of him. If you're with me and you want to understand a little bit more about Rocky Jones, put a heart emoji in the comments. But until then, be sure to like, share, watch more videos, and subscribe to the channel.